So boys and girls champs 2023 are pretty much here, give or take a few weeks. And conspicuously this year, I don't think the title favorites are conspicuous. Edwin Allen are slightly favored to retain their girls' title, while Kingston College are also slightly favored to regain the boys' title. But let me put it this way, the level of their favorite status is diminished by other teams promising to grab points this year. Heidel, for example, are on the cusp of winning their first title and will push Edwin Allen to the line this year. Some experts are even arguing that Heidel will win champs this year. As for boys champs, KC, with their depth in the field events, should get the job done, according to the KC experts. No predictions this year from the Maverick. I have passed the stage of watching champs to see who will win and who will come second. My eyes will be firmly fixed on the quality of the next generation of young track and field stars coming up on the production line called Jamaica, and what will be on the shelves of the retail outlet called Boys and Girls Champs.